What's good, YouTube? It's your boy JD, man. Back into the video, and right now I'm in the bathroom right now. And I know y'all see the title of the video, man. Today I'm about to show y'all how to get waves, man. Alright, so back in the day, bro, I used to watch a lot of wave YouTubers about how to get waves and all that stuff. I used to be like a fanatic, but now I ain't gonna lie. I would just grow my hair out. I don't care how my hair look. I don't really manage it that much. But now I just cut it down recently. Now I'm trying to get my waves back again. But back in the day, I used to really be in the waves. I used to be wolfing, buying all these products, do-rags, brushes, all of that, bro. So if you're a beginner, man, you trying to figure out how to get waves, man. I haven't really got the 360 waves. I really only got waves at the top. I ain't gonna cap to y'all and act like I got 360 waves, but I got waves at the top, some on the side a little bit. But I'm gonna show y'all just the basic instructions how to get waves, man. Well, first y'all need a brush, man. You know what I'm saying? This is a soft brush I got right now. I don't know. I think this was a 360 wave brush. The label got took off because it's real old and stuff. I advise you to get a hard brush, a medium brush, and a soft brush starting off, man, because you're gonna need a hard brush when you're trying to woof. If you guys don't know what woofing is when you grow your hair out so that you can reach your length. You're growing your hair out long enough so that you can build defined deep connection and waves, so your 360 waves will look defined and all that. So you definitely want to woof. You can woof. Woofing, you could pretty much, after you get a haircut, you're considered woofing. Like once you go to the barbershop, you get your haircut, you're considered woofing. You know how some people get their haircut every 2 weeks? You're woofing once you get your haircut since you normally get it every 2 weeks, get your haircut like every month. You're considered woofing once you surpass 2 weeks. So I highly advise y'all to start woofing, man. You know what I'm saying? Starting off, bro, before even all of that, make sure to get your hair cut to a good length so you can actually build waves. Like tell your barber should know what length that he should cut your hair so that you can actually start getting waves. Cut it low, obviously, so you can really train your hair and really build waves on top of waves, so that once you're woofing and once you cut all your hair off, once your your month woofing is done, you cut your hair, your waves is gonna be defined. You're gonna have 360 waves. So yeah, man. If y'all want to know how to lay down your hair, man, you just pretty much you brush your hair just like so. You know what I'm saying? Keep doing like this for like 10 minutes, you know what I'm saying? I used to do a method that I saw on YouTube that I would do like 100 strokes on each side, 100 strokes up top, 100 strokes on the side, 100 strokes on the side, and 100 strokes on the back. And I would just do sets of that, like 3 sets or something like that a day, or I forgot exactly what I used to do, but try to come up with your own like routine, you know what I'm saying? And also a good method too is that when you in the shower, you know what I'm saying? When you put your shampoo in your hair, get like a hard brush and brush in the shower, bro. That's gonna really bring out your waves, I'm telling you. Just stay consistent, bro. Do it every day. Make sure to brush every single day your hair so you can really train your hair, really get your hair to lay down. And you can really start building those waves quick and easy, you know what I'm saying? And also buy some very good products, you know. I advise with products, y'all should probably get like Cantu is really good for natural hair, you know what I'm saying? You can pomades are good, you know, like the light pomades. You can get 360 wave gel, all of that stuff, you know what I'm saying? I don't advise Murray's. Murray's like it's very thick. Don't get Murray's. It's kind of, get something that's like light, you know, like a pomade or something. There's a lot of pomades at your local beauty supply store, Walgreens. You could probably get what did I used to use that was really good? Dude, Shea Moisture products are really good, bro. Get the curl enhancing smoothie. You know what I'm saying? Or curl like that shit. Yeah, get that for real. That's gonna lay your hair down, and your hair gonna be smelling good for the ladies, man. Y'all, yeah. So yeah, just keep brushing, man, every day. You feel me? That's how you get the waves the right way. Let me zoom in a little bit so y'all can see my wave process. You know what I'm saying? I'm just getting my waves back, but trust me, give me about a month or so, I'm a wolf again. My waves gonna get there, man. But yeah, just keep brushing, man. Keep brushing. You know what I'm saying? Bring a brush everywhere. That's how you really build waves, bro. Bring a brush everywhere. Bring it to school, bring it to work, bring it everywhere, bro. Just be consistent. And you're really gonna see progress fast if you do that, I'm telling you. And then at night, obviously wear a do-rag so you can have your hair laid down, so when you wake up in the morning, your hair is maintained, it's not all over the place, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, repeat the cycle every day, man. Brush, put some pomade, some moisturizer if you want to, or if not, and just continue to brush. The key to really getting waves is brushing. I'm 100% brushing. Brushing, 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 brushing. Stay consistent. The waves gonna come quick once you stay consistent, I'm telling y'all, man. Yeah. Yes, sir, man. Just keep brushing. Keep brushing, keep brushing, keep brushing. And yeah, man. That's pretty much it, man. Follow my routine. Keep watching this video, man. I hope I taught y'all something, man. Stay consistent. Keep brushing every day. Do some more research. Watch some other YouTube videos. But definitely watch this one, okay? And thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like this video, comment, subscribe. I already said this 2019, I'm dropping bangers all summer, man. Public interview I'm going to drop soon. Vlogs, pranks. Subscribe to the channel if you've not already done so, bro. I'm going up. I promise you, I'm going up this summer, bro. Let's get it, man. Grind all the time. Let's get it. See you guys in the next video. Peace.